Hi Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on a Wednesday, February the 12th, 2020, we have three Sudokus. A binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. But we will start with the binary Sudoku, so let's get started. I see here a double O, here one, there one. A double O, here one, there one. Here double O, here one, there one. A double O, here one, there one. Then we see here double one, here an O, there an O. A double one, here an O, there an O. A double one, here an O, there an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Then I see here a double O, here and one, and there and one. A double O, here and one, there and one. A double O, here and one, and there and one. A double O, here and one, there and one. And now we go back with the double ones. Double one, here and O, there and O. A double one, here and O, there and O. A double O, here and one, and there and one. A double O, here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. 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 Then a double O, here and one, there and one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. A double one, here and O, there and O. Then all the options are used, I see. Then we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones in a row. So all the ones are used, so the rest are O's. Now we have a double O, here and one, and there and one. A double O, here and one, and there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. A double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Why can I not continue? Yeah, I cannot continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the one here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, so the one cannot be here. The should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 1s in a row. Not allowed. Same situation as before. So this cannot be an O. Should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here an O. There an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1. Here an O. There an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place the 5th 1 here in this row, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. And finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1. So we finish this in 7 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, or if you want, download the PDF file if you want to solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the Sudoku Medium. Thank you again. Bye bye.